First guys, paa ito ng baboy, and then water, garlic, and then 1 teaspoon of salt, and peppercorn. Next, bay leaves, let it boil. So it's done guys, so i-transfer na natin. So put some oil. Garlic guys, and onion, and then put ito guys, the sweeties. So next, low heat lang guys, low heat, and then mix natin. And then put the meat guys. So dapat hindi siya masunog guys, low heat lang. And then put the meat. And then add the water. Yung broth niya guys, ilagay natin. So ito yun guys, na transfer natin. So lagyan natin ng pork cubes guys. Let it boil. Ay, hindi po. So pagkatapos guys, ilagay natin ang vegetables. So I have long beans, eggplant. So I have okra guys, eggplant, and long beans. Ilagay natin at spring onion. So unahin muna natin ang long beans first. So long beans at spring onion ilagay muna natin first. And then isunod natin ang eggplant at okra guys. So nag-add pala ako ng water guys. Mga 3 cups of water. So time to put the peanut butter guys. So ito guys, peanut butter. Mga 2 spoon lang. So I have 2 spoon. Mix natin. Dapat half cook lang yung vegetables guys. So I will add more peanut butter. 3 spoon. And then put the bok choy guys. So it's already done guys. So napakalambot niya. So this is the kare-kare, my own version. And then yung bagoong is the shrimp paste is ilagay lang namin kung ready to eat na. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.